distinguished leaders present here, the star-studded galaxy of Rotarians on screen, fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, namaskar, vanakkam, salam alaikum, adab and namaste. My name is Arvind Nair. With me is a beautiful and energetic
Ashi Jofen. Welcome to all of you to this historic event, launch of a new Rotary Club, the sixth in this cultural city. Quite appropriately, it is named the Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City. In a few moments, you will witness charter presentation and installation of offices of this brand new club.
But before that, as is customary at all major Rotary events, we have a ceremonial procession. The march past will be led by Sergeant at Arms Rotarian Vipin Soman. Right behind him, we can see Rotarian Colonel Rajshekharan Nair, President of the Rotary Club of Trichur, the mother club of this baby club. Behind him are Charter President Manoj Paul, GGR and Governor's Special Representative Rotarian Advocate Ando Akara, Assistant Governor Rotarian Rajagopal, District Director Rotarian Amy Thomas, and District Governor Rotarian Jose Chaco. And DGN Rotarian Vijay Kumar.
It's also customary that the leaders are honored with ornamental collars. Tonight, the President, Rotarian Colonel Nair, will be adorned by Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Vipin Soman, even as DGR and GSR, Rotarian Ando Akra will decorate the DG with his ornate collar.
In India, we always begin anything auspicious with a prayer to invoke the blessings of Almighty. It is recorded by Hannah Alice Simon. Video, please.
God's warriors, born to do His will. With peace, hope, and love, we fight sin and evil. We are God's warriors, born to do His will. With peace, hope, and love, we fight sin and evil. Darkness is defeated with the light. Oh, oh, oh. Sin is defeated with the virtues. Hope banishes doubt. Truth quells the evil one. Faith strengthens us, and love quells the hatred in this world. Whoa, oh. We are God's warriors. We are God's warriors. We are God's warriors. Oh, yeah, we are God's warriors. With heads held high, let's march forward. His blessings are all upon us. With heads held high, let's march forward. His blessings are all upon us. His truth is our belt. Faith is our shield. His righteousness is our strength, and our sword is the word of God. We are the light of the world. We are the salt of the earth. We are chosen people. Oh, yeah, we are God's warriors. We are the light of the world. We are the salt of the earth. We are chosen people. Oh, yeah, we are God's warriors. We are God's warriors.
We are the salt of the earth. May I request Rotarian Colonel Nair to please call the meeting to order.
After presentation and installation of RC, Rotary Club, Mature Cultural City. Call to order.
Each Rotarian and every club activity is governed by a set of principles. We call it the four-way test. May I invite Polly John to read out the four-way test.
The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. First, is it the truth? Second, is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and better friendships? Fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you.
Moving on, President of the sponsoring club, Rotarian Rajshekhar Nair, will now formally welcome all guests. Over to you, Colonel.
Respected District Governor, Rotarian Major Donor Josh Chacko, District Governor Designate, Rotarian Major Donor Rajshekhar Srinivasan, Rotarian District Governor Elect Designate, Rotarian Major Donor Raj Mohan Nair, District Governor Nominee Designate, Rotarian Major Donor Vijay Kumar, Galaxy of past district governors online, District Director, Rotarian MPHF, Amy Thomas, Assistant Governor, Rotarian Rajagopal, Assistant Governor Designate, Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran, GGR and GSR, Rotarian MPHF Anto Davis Akara, past and present presidents, secretaries, guests, other members of Rotary clubs now online, President Designate Dr. Manoj, and all members of the Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, aunts, annettes present here and online, a very good evening to you all. It is a God-given gift and blessing to me to stand here today on this auspicious occasion of the charter presentation to the Rotary Club of Cultural City, the youngest club in our district. We, the members of Rotary Club of Trichur, take the privilege of being the parent club, and I take this opportunity to recognize and personally appreciate the wholehearted efforts put in by Rotarian Major MPHF Anto Davis Sakara to make this a reality, the birth of Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, taken close to 10 months. And today, Anto is a happy father. And we all are uncles. Now, let me start off with the duty assigned to as the president of the Rotary Club, host club. You all must have seen and realized that our district governor, Rotarian Jose Chaco, was everywhere in the district, flying from one club to another, place to place, in the past 363 days, non-stop, and during this pandemic year, attending many varieties of functions, GOVs, inaugurations, etc. My salute to you, sir, for achieving success in each and every activity, Herculean task you ventured as your vision and desire. We are very happy and blessed to be part of your team. On behalf of Rotary Club of Trichur and Rotary Club of Cultural City and everyone present here, we extend a very warm welcome to you for this ceremony. On behalf of Rotary Club of Trichur, Rotary Club of Cultural City, I extend a very warm welcome to our district governor, designate Rotarian Major Donor Rajshekaran Srinivasan, district governor elect designate Rotarian Raj Mohan Nair, DGND designate Rotarian Vijay Kumar on this ceremony. On behalf of Rotary Club of Trichur and Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, let me take the privilege to welcome our DD, Rotarian Emmy Thomas, AG Rajagopal, AG designate Manoj Pushkaran, GSR and GGR, Rotarian Anto Akara, and all those online and attending the meeting here in this hall during the ceremony. Now let me welcome the President designate Dr. Manoj and his team of young blood to this ceremony. Remember, all of your center forwards, all throughout your years in Rotary, you must strive to excel in all spheres of activities. I'm aware that all of you are engaged in different activities. In between, you must relax also. Just do the relaxing part in your club. I assure you, you can do wonders and the needy will bless you to do very well in your profession, business, or wherever you are. You must have an ownership to your club. May God Almighty bless you all to do very well in this opportunity you get to serve the needy. Once again, my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to all the new members. Once again, I welcome you all to this ceremony. Jai Rotary, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Colonel. We understand that GGR and GSR Rotarian Anto Akra has been exclusively instrumental in forming this new club. He will now talk to us about his excitement and anxieties during this journey. Over to you, Rotarian Anto.
Very good evening, all of you. Respected District Governor Rotarian Jose Chaco, District Director M.E. Thomas, Assistant Governor Rajagopal, President of Rotary Club of Trichur, Colonel Rajshekaran Nair, President-elect of Rotary Club of Cultural City, Dr. Manoj, District Governor-elect Rajshekaran, District Governor nominee Raj Mohan Nair, District Governor nominee designate Vijay Kumar, our PDGs on Zoom, GGR Manoj Pushkar, new members visiting Rotarians from neighboring clubs, and my fellow Rotarians, family members, and friends. First of all, let me convey my gratitude to DG Jose Chaco and the District General Secretary E.M. Varghese and their team for putting faith in me by bestowing an opportunity to be GSR for forming new club. Out of the blue, when I received the email from the secretariat informing about the appointment of GSR, though it is specified my prime responsibility is of creating a new club. To my curiosity as a lawyer, I did Google search to find what GSR really means. But obvious one that struck me was general statutory rules. But when I continued my dictionary, I found it stood for another one, that is galvanic skin response. Then I searched for what is galvanic skin response. That is the changes in the sweat gland activity that are reflective of the intensity of our emotional state. In fact, that is one really answered the same feeling while I was reading the email. Though initially I was really worried whether I could live up to the expectations due to pandemic situation around. But let me reveal you that I was truly inspired and energized being in the company of District Director M.V. Thomas, who mentored me with his immense wisdom and experience. Our Assistant Governor Rajagopal, who was very friendly and very helpful in getting new members, and GGR Manoj Pushkar for supporting me in formation of the new club. Though the president of Rotary Club of Trichur was drive to get new members for his club, I am also a member in that. He extended timely cooperation and help by referrals. Whenever DG met me in some programs, he used to eagerly inquire about the progress made. Thank you everyone for being there with me. And now when we achieved the target membership of 25 and still counting, it gives me immense pleasure and confidence in reaching this milestone. I truly and genuinely followed my father, late Advocate A. Davies, saying, do it well or don't do it. I also take this time to appreciate the new club members, especially the PST team and the club service chairman, Polly, who have extended full support in organizing today's program. Special appreciation is also extended to Ramke, Anu Chiran, Sijo, Colonel Rajashekaran Nair, M.V. Thomas, Rajagopal, and Manoj Pushkar, who all had given their valuable time and energy to educate and motivate the new members. Special thanks to Mr. Paul Varghese for providing this beautiful venue. I also would like to give a tip for the newly elected PSG of the new club that you are like wicket consisting of 3 stumps in the cricket. If one stump falls, whether that is a middle, left or right, out. So keep in mind every time and work to build in and win the team at the club. At the same time, also beware that stand alone as mere stumps will not work without co-jointed bales. So make sure to keep aside any differences of opinion that may arise in your relationship, but stay strong as a rock in one piece. Remember that the strength of the team is each individual member and the strength of each member is the team. Thank you. All the best for the.
My personal congratulations to you, Anto. Good job. Well done. To mark the formal launch of the Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, a ceremonial oil lamp will be lit jointly by the Rotary leaders. May I please invite the District Governor, District Director, DGND, Assistant Governor, AG-elect, Governors, GSR, and President of some other club, and the new club, all of you, to please come forward and light the lamp. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Next, we have a digital presentation to introduce all the charter members of the new club. The names appear in alphabetical order. Lionel, video please.
Mr. Amish Karthikeyan, a civil contractor and runs his own business, Design and Beyond at Thrissur. Anish IU runs a beauty clinic named as Sri International Beauty Clinic at Thrissur. Mr. Baby Mookan works in news media as an editor in Ullur Vartagal. Mr. Benny Kalanjos, he is in pharmaceutical business and runs Kalan Pharmaceuticals, Thrissur. Mr. Danny Thomas runs his own construction company, Vidani Builders Private Limited, Thrissur. Deepu K. Divagaran is in digital marketing and runs WM Creative Consultants Private Limited, Thrissur. Dinesh PG, he is in pharmaceuticals and owns Mednox Healthcare, Thrissur. Mr. Evelyn Paul, businessman at Roofab, Thrissur. Mr. Febin G. Alapat, businessman at Tectoy Systems, Thrissur. Mrs. Jansi Shaju works in Postal Department at Thrissur. Mr. Jensen Verghese, Managing Director at Crown Shield, Thrissur. Mr. Jins P. John works in Wipro Enterprise, Ernakulam. Mr. Joffin John owns an electronic security system business, Thrissur. Mr. Jose Kartukaran runs plywood business at Kartukaran Plywoods, Thrissur. Mr. Joseph Kundugulam, he is into steel fabric business and runs Deepan Creation Steel Fabric, Thrissur. Mr. Lijin Raj P, business manager at Royal Enfield, Ernakulam. Dr. Manoj Paul, senior physiotherapist at Doctor Specialty Center, Thrissur. Mr. Midhu Vairisheri runs own catering service as Olive Catters. Mr. Nitin N. Aravind, he is in photography and owns his own as White Art Photography, Thrissur. Mr. Polly John, managing partner at EZ Women, Thrissur. Mr. Rijo Paul, a management consultant at Thrissur. Mr. Saji Joseph is in wholesale toys business and runs JJ Fancy, Thrissur. Mr. Santosh AJ, businessman and runs gift and furniture at Thrissur. Mr. Suryanarayanan KS, he is an engineer at Absol Private Limited, Thrissur. Mr. Vipin Zakaria, he is in pharma business and runs Mednox Healthcare, Thrissur. And we have a new member. Mr. Shaju Thomas works as a school attendant in Thrissur.
Now that we know the people behind the new club, they will be formally inducted as members. May I invite AG Rotarian Rajagopal to complete the formality.
Respected President, Rotarian Colonel Rajshekhar Nair, Chief Guest of the Day, DG Major Donor Jose Chacko, DG and D TR Vijaykumar, District Director M.E. Thomas, GSR GGR Andrew Davis Sakra, incoming President-elect Manoj Paul, AG-elect Manoj Pushkar, Presidents, Secretaries, PDGs, and my dear fellow Rotarians. Today, I am very happy to stand before you as an Assistant Governor of 2021 under the leadership of DG Jose Chaco and District Director M.E. Thomas and GSR Andrew Davis Sakra. As we are able to add one new Rotary Club in Thrissur area, and most of the members in this club are my close friends. So friends, I welcome to our ranks and admit to membership Dr. Manoj Paul, Jofin John, Saji Joseph, and all other new members. Please, Manoj Paul, Jofin John, Saji Joseph. You should regard your admission to the worldwide organization of Rotary International through the membership of Rotary Club of Cultural City as a matter of personal pride and vocational privilege on account of classification of that has been loaned to you, which you small always treasure as a precious trust. On this solemn occasion, would you solemnly pledge that you accept the Rotary motto, service above self, to be the ideal of your life? That you shall endeavor to dignify your occupation as an opportunity to serve and apply re-ideal of service to your personal business and community life. That you shall abide by the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International and of this club faithfully. That you shall pay the club dues on demand without any delay or difficulty. That you shall strive sincerely to maintain the prescribed minimum 50% of the club attendance as a solemn obligation of retaining your membership. If you do pledge, please raise your right hand and just say, I do. Yes. We wish to impress upon you that you have been admitted not only to the Rotary Club of Thrissur Cultural City, but of worldwide association, and by virtue of your membership in this club, you will be welcome in the fellowship of Rotary Club of in the world. The honor and privilege of Rotary membership carries with its duties and obligations. You will be expected to attend the club's meeting regularly, to perform your share of club service and place your knowledge and talents at the disposal of the club in its task of carrying the principles of Rotary into the daily life of the community. You have been chosen to membership in the Rotary Club of Thrissur Cultural City because your fellow members believes you to be leader in your vocation, and because your manifesto those qualities to impart the message of Rotary to those with whom you come in contact. Rotarian Manoj Paul, Rotarian Jofin John, Rotarian Saji Joseph, and others, in the name of Rotary Club of Thrissur Cultural City, now formally admit you to membership in this club and affix to your label our emblem. I also give you the new membership in Rotary. From today, you will be known as Rotarian Manoj Paul and Rotarian Jofin John and Rotarian Saji Joseph and others. Your spouse will be known as Rotary Anne, and your children will be known as Rotary Annettes. Fellow Rotarian, I request all of you to welcome them. On this occasion, I also take the privilege to express my gratitude. This year, 45 new members were added in my cluster, and also all the clubs are contributing 100%. Thank you for your support and cooperation. Thank you, Jai Rotary. Thank you.
Gentlemen, stay back. AG, would you like to hand over the pin and membership kit, etc. to them? Congratulations, all newly minted Rotarians. Wish you all a very purposeful journey with this great movement called Rotary. Now we will play a video to introduce the president-elect of the new club, Rotarian Manoj Paul.
Dr. Manoj Paul is from a well-known reputed family in Thrissur. Born in the year 1976, April 23rd in Thrissur East to the late Mr. T. A. Paul, who was a retired assistant engineer, civil, and Mrs. Teresa Paul, who was retired grade 1 nursing officer. He has 2 siblings and he is happily married to Mrs. Volga Joseph, who is working as higher secondary school teacher in Nirmala Matha CBSC school, and they are blessed with a daughter Fiona, who is studying in 9th standard, did his schooling in Don Bosco School Mannuthi, did his college in Sri Kerala Verma College Thrissur, later did his bachelor degree in physiotherapy from KS Hegde Medical College Mangalore. After his bachelor degree, he started working in Fortis Group of Hospitals Chandigarh. Later got an opportunity to work in London with Bobath Academy in London. In 2001, he joined in Nimhans Bungalow as a therapist in Neuro Rehabilitation Department. After 1 year, he started working in Satya Sai Baba Hospital, Whitefield Bungalow. In 2004, he came back to his hometown and joined in Jubilee Mission Medical College, Thrissur in Physical Medicine Department. In 2007, joined Madras Medical Mission Hospital, Chennai, for post-graduation in cardiorespiratory training. After post-graduation, he rejoined Jubilee Mission Medical College, Thrissur as HOD of Neuro Rehab Department. After 6 years of sincere service in Jubilee, he resigned and started his own clinic named Good Shepherd Rehabilitation Center, which was upgraded to Multi-Speciality Center in 2017 and renamed as Doctors Specialty Center Thrissur at Patturaikal. At present, he is one of the managing partner of this clinic. Worked with world organizations like YMCA, Wiseman's, JCI, in their projects and in different office bearer posts. Works for National Council of Churches in India, NCCI, and participates in South Asian Christian Youth Network programs against gender violences.
I invite DG Rotarian Jose Chaco to formally install Rotarian Manoj Paul as a charter president of the new club and present him with the Rotary Charter.
There's a small correction. The president of the parent club, Colonel Nair, is installing the new president.
May I invite DG Rotarian Jose Chaco to formally install Rotarian Manoj Paul and to present him with the Rotary Charter.
This certifies that the Rotary Club of Thrissur, Cultural City, Kerala, India, having been duly organized and having agreed to its numbers to be bound by the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International, which agreement is evidenced by the acceptance of this certificate, is now a duly appointed member of Rotary International.
and is entitled to all its rights and privileges of such membership. In witness whereof the signatories of this offices being duly authorized are subscribed here to this 19th day of April 2021. Admission to membership in Rotary International recommended by Rotarian Jose Chaco District Governor, Rotarian President Holger, Rotary International.
Now, let's listen to President Rotary Manoj Paul as he accepts the responsibility of running this brand new club. Over to you, Manoj.
Hello, everybody. Our chief guest for today's program, Rotarian Major Donor Jose Chaco M, District Governor, Rotary 3201. Our mother chapter President, Rotarian Colonel Rajshekharan Nair. Even it's a mother chapter, that means it's not a 60-year-old legacy of this club. So we are a baby to the Truchu Club. It's a special honor. And our district director, Rotarian Emmy Thomas, sir, Assistant Governor, Rotarian Raj Gopal, GGR and GSR, Rotarian Andrew Davis Akira, our Rotarian Vijay Kumar sir, DGND designate, and Rotarian Manoj Pushkar, GGR. And all the other dignitaries of the dais, Rotary 3201 district officers, other Rotary Club members, and all other members present online. And my fellow Rotarians, a warm good evening to you all. Today, as I stand here as Charter President of Rotary Club of Truchu Cultural City, with great sense of responsibility and expectations, I promise to do my very best to discharge my duties and fulfill the trust given in me and to take our club to greater heights. First of all, I would like to thank my fellow Rotarians for selecting me to lead our club as the president for the next Rotarian year. And you have my sincere assurance that I will be dedicated to the cause of Rotary. I always had a true urge to get involved in a service club so that I could give back to the society and mankind in some way. As a quote given by Albert Einstein, serve to change lives. So I feel, what is the purpose of our existence? In my view, the purpose of a life of every human being should be to make a positive contribution and well-being of humanity. So here is where we as Rotarians differ, and that's why we are here, to make a difference. As I said, we all Rotarians stand together for that difference. So in this present scenario, as we all know, the pandemic changes in the society into the worst situations. This is the time we Rotarians have to be in the front line to protect our society. So thank you all, and thank you, gentlemen. And shall I tell about some projects we are planning this year?
Yeah, before that, Manoj, congratulations. Rotary is not just socializing and fellowship. We do a lots of philanthropic activities as well, mostly supervised by the Rotary Foundation or TRF. The club president may now hand over to the DG the club's first contribution for TRF projects.
The club also has its own separate humanitarian projects. The president will put more light on those plans now. Over to the president.
We are this year we are planning to conduct some as I am into this medical side, it will be easier for us to just coordinate all some medical camps, vaccination camps as is it needed for the right time. So join hands with social organizations and even with Rotary priorities. We can do some medical camps this year to the community, and even some educational guidelines seminars for the children. It's a time like after +2, a kid might be confused what variant means, what step next. So it's a time for some seminars, educational seminars for them, even environmental projects, even primary learning issues like electronic gadgets, all those things are needed nowadays. Even women's safety programs we are planning, even food packets distributions for the poor people, and even planning for felicitating the pandemic frontliners are some of our projects. But overall, we have a plan for a signature project plan for building up a shelter. So it's total RCC plant project, nearly 700 square feet is the plan. 700 square feet single story shelter we are planning this year to build up and give to our Rotary housing plan. So that's a beginning for our chapter. So thank you all. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotary Manoj. Needless to say, the club affairs are managed by a board of directors. Who all are there on the board? Let's watch an AV presentation. President-elect, Rotarian Jose Katukaran. Vice President, Rotarian Surya Narayanan. Secretary, Rotarian Joffin John. Joint Secretary, Rotarian James John. Treasurer, Rotarian Saji Joseph. Club Administration, Rotarian Polly John. Rotary Foundation Chair, Rotarian Rijo Paul. Rotary Community Chair, Rotarian Nidhin. Rotary Membership Chair, Rotarian Midhu Vaisheri. Rotary Youth Chair, Rotarian Jansi Shaju. Rotary District Priorities Chair, Rotarian Evelyn Paul. Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Joseph. Advisor, Rotarian Baby Mukan. And Advisor, Rotarian Benny Kalan.
The officers will now be installed by the president.
Rotarian Vibin, may please hand over the sash and baton to the new Sergeant at Arms.
Moving on, we have a galaxy of Rotary stalwarts offering felicitations and wishing good luck to the new club and its leaders. First, may I please invite District Governor-elect Rotarian Rajashekaran Srinivasan to say a few words. Are you there, Rotarian Rajashekaran? Yeah, over to you. Yeah. Rajashekaran, over to you. Mic is yours.
District Governor Jose, newly installed President and President of Trichur, warm greetings from Coimbatore, and I joined very late. I'm not, I don't even have the invitation in front of me, so I'm not able to address your President correctly. My apologies for that. I'm taking out just 2 days later, so I'm pretty held up fully. Jose, I know you have also had a hectic time, and my best wishes, and I extend my full support and cooperation for all. That's a latest club, I think 152nd club to our district, prestigious district. All the best. My best wishes to you. I see a district trainer Pati is here, and greetings to you. And my best wishes to the team, which is just taken over. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Rajashekaran. Now I request District Governor nominee designate Rotarian Vijay Kumar to offer his felicitations.
District Governor Jose Chacko, DG Rajashekar, Galaxy of PDGs, newly installed President Manoj Paul, District Director Thomas, Trichur Club President Colonel Rajashekar Nair, DSR Andrew Davis, AG Rajashekar and Manoj Pushkaran, my dear fellow Rotarians on the dais and off the dais, in the Zoom. I can see Bala Subramanian. Bala, many of my fellow Rotarians are on the Zoom. In fact, I am very happy to be here to be part of this installation Charter Day presentation of Trichur Cultural City Club in the cultural capital of Kerala. And my congratulations to Trichur Club President and the team, the members of the Trichur Club
for initiating and starting this new young energetic club in our district. And my best wishes to the newly installed president and the team of members of this club for a wonderful, happy life in Rotary. Friends, I'm sure that your club excel very well because the pedigree is very good. Pedigree is Trichur Club, where I was the president. I was a member. I was a second generation in that club. So I am very sure that your club will do wonders in the Rotary fraternity. Today, friends, you have become one of the members in the Rotary fraternity, and you are all members have become the Rotarians, and your club will become the part of the Rotary District 3201, and your club has become a member of the Rotary International. We all know that our motto is service of ourselves. So there are a lot of avenues of service in Rotary. I'm sure with the guidance of JSR, you can excel all the avenues of service and really you can do wonders in the Rotary. I can say one thing, being a Rotarian, you are not going to be a Rotarian. How you're committed and dedicated to the Rotary movement will make you a Rotarian. If you are a true Rotarian, you can really enjoy Rotary. So I wish you all a very best Rotary year ahead. And from my side, any assistance you want, anytime you can approach me and I'll be there always. And once again, Godspeed and best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Vijay Kumar. Now we will have a booming and impressive voice wishing good luck to the new team. Over to you, past District Governor, Rotarian Vinod Kuti.
Charter President Dr. Manoj Paul, our beloved District Governor Rotarian Jose Chaco, District Governor nominee designate Rotarian Vijay Kumar, my dear fellow Rotarians. At the outset, I must compliment our beloved District Governor who has had a very grueling year, and he has earned the respect of every Rotarian in our district for running this district, administering this district judiciously, and achieving all parameters of Rotary during this year, when it is affected by the worst pandemic. The mother planet, Earth, is affected by the worst pandemic. And during this time, I think, sir, you have really done wonders. Congratulations, sir. It's a first official program of DGND Vijay Kumar. I wish you all the best. Congratulations. And I'm sure you will lead our district judiciously and bring greater glory to our district. I must compliment the GSR, Rotarian Advocate Anto Davis Akara, for having strenuously worked during this pandemic period to collect such fine human beings to form the Rotary Club Trichur Cultural City. Congratulations, Rotarian Anto. My best wishes are also due to the President, Colonel Rajshekaran Nair, and the entire team of Trichur Club for having worked so hard and giving our district a new baby, the Rotary Trichur Cultural City. I have worked together on many Rotary events with District Director Rotarian M.E. Thomas, and I know the passion and the commitment he has towards Rotary. And it is because of that, we can say that in our zone, he has made 100% participation by the Rotarians in the Rotary Foundation. And of course, it is his guidance that has helped them to reach this level, our zone, so that we could achieve all the objectives set forth by our district governor. I must also congratulate Assistant Governor Rotarian Raj Gopal, who has very silently worked along with DGR Rotarian Manoj Pushkaran to fulfill this dream of our beloved district governor. And to Dr. Manoj, you now belong to a big family of Rotary. And I'm sure you and your team will do everything possible to live up to the expectations of the high Rotary principles following the four-way test. And I'm sure this club will very soon become one of the premier clubs in our district. My best wishes to Dr. Manoj Paul and the team from Trichur Cultural City. And I'm sure we will be having great things to look forward to. With these few words, I would like to once again congratulate Rotary Club of Trichur, Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, and our beloved district governor for giving us the leadership to achieve so much in one of the worst periods of history. Congratulations, District Governor Jose, sir, and to every one of us for having done a great job. Thank you very much.
Thank you, PDG. Good to hear your inspiring words once more. Now, the doyen of Thrissur Rotary Movement, District Director, Rotarian M.E. Thomas, will be addressing us. Over to you, Thomas.
Charter President Manoj Paul, our beloved DG Jose Chacko, DGND Vijay Kumar, and my dear fellow Rotarians, good evening to all. After a long wait of 10 years, today we are witnessing the birth of a new Rotary Club at Trichur, Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City. GSR Advocate Anto David took all the pains to form this new club. He took almost 10 months to formally launch this club. I congratulate Rotarian Anto Akeda, GSR, President Colonel Nair, President of Parent Club, and all Rotarians of Rotary Club of Trichur. Today, as far as Trichur Rotarians are concerned, it's another moment of cherish. All the 6 clubs in Trichur and all the 240 Rotarians of Trichur had contributed to TRF. That's a meritorious achievement. I think the AG behind that, Rotarian Rajagopal, needs special appreciation for that. It's his wholehearted effort. Today at 12 o'clock only, he could remit the payment of the new club. He remitted online for all the 25 members of this new club. And I congratulate the new club also for contributing 18,250 during the first day of their installation itself. Another thing to rejoice for all the Rotarians of Zone 2 is by this day, today, all the 28 clubs, including 3 new clubs, have contributed to TRF. And 90% of Rotarians fulfill their commitment to give to Rotary, to give to TRF for doing good in the world. Now it has become a passion and dedication of all Rotarians of this region to contribute to TRF. Now, Advocate Andrew had founded a strong foundation, and it's the responsibility of Rotarian Manoj Paul to build a strong club on the foundation built upon by Andrew. And all the members are being very young and vibrant. You can do wonders in serving the community. And I wish all the best for the new club to fly their flag to greater heights and greater glory. I'm sure Manoj Paul will take care and lead the club to greater heights. Thank you all.
Next, the young and dynamic incoming AG, Rotarian Manoj Pushkar will talk to us. Over to you, Manoj.
Good evening all. Charter President Manoj Paul, District Governor Jose Chaco, DG&D Vijay Kumar, all respected PDGs on the dais and off the dais, on the Zoom, District Director Emmy Thomas, President, Trichur Club President Colonel Rajshekhar Nair, AG Rajgopal, my co-GGR Advocate Anto Davis, star of the day, because of him, the dreams come through, because the Trichur district was only 5 clubs and everyone from Coimbatore, Palakkad, everyone was asking why there is not much clubs from Trichur. It's a big place. You have a lot of potential over there. Everyone was asking when I went for a AGTS training or pets, everyone asking from Coimbatore region, Palakkad region, from everywhere. Why there is no clubs coming from Trichur? And that's the answer that we are started with a new club this year. And next year I am coming as an AG, and definitely we will make another one more club in Trichur with the support of all the Rotarians from our region. So we are start the processing to do the same thing, to get a new one more club to Trichur. And this time I'm congratulating the Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City to start with the new heights, and congratulating all the club members for their coming and doing best to the humanity. And with these words, I'm once again congratulating all the Rotarians to RC, the Rotary Club of Cultural City. Thank you very much.
More the merrier. Let's have more clubs in Thrissur. Good luck, Manoj. Felicitations are pouring from all over. Next, we have another PDG, Rotarian Padi. Are you there, Rotarian Padi? Over to you.
Thank you very much. President Rajshekhar and Charter President of the new club, Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, Manoj Paul, and District Governor Jose Chaco, and my dear good friends. Good evening to all of you. when a baby is born in the house, there is a lot of celebration. We go ahead and really celebrate that, and the mood is upbeat. It's the same thing that happens in the family of Rotary in District 3201. We really celebrate the joyous occasion of a new baby, the new star that has come to join us in our fraternity. Congratulations to the newly born club under the able leadership of Dr. Manoj Paul, Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural Center. Congratulations to you, and congratulations to my good friend Anto, who's the president when I was the governor. We have a connect whenever there is a function. I mean, whenever there is need. This connect between the presidents and the governor is something amazing that that goes beyond any kind of barriers. And I remember all my presidents, Tony, Manoj Pushkar becoming AG, and Anto and Uday. It's such a fine thing to connect again to each one of them. I'm so glad that we are having a club coming again. And it's the first occasion that our DGND, Vijay Kumar, is attending a function after becoming the DGND. And congratulations to him on that. And I'm sure you're going to inspire more clubs to come there. That's the beauty that I see in the gist of each one of the members who are just joining this club. I must give a big bouquet to our governor, Jose Chacko, for going the length entirely this year. It's easy to perform as a governor, I would say, and to do things that are really credible and that are really purposeful and that are really praiseworthy. But at a time like this, to perform and gain more momentum and more appreciation and more glory to our district is something amazing and very quietly done. And it is only because our governor, my beloved governor, Jose Chacko, is able to do that. Be it the conference, or be it the TRF, or be it the projects, or be it the governor visit. He did not miss even one club during this year to visit or to pep them up. He's been at it throughout. So my greatest, I've become a great fan of. I was always, and now to understand the kind of thing that you have done as a PDG, I must say that congratulations to you, District Governor Jose Chacko, and wonderfully done. And I'm sure you're going to sign it off beautifully. And the way you're signing off your year, the new club that is coming, it's something amazing and very, very nicely done. Just like what our past District Governor Vinod Kutisar just said, the glory really enhances the family bond and the family breath. And I'm sure it is going to take us for a longer tenure. And it's so nice. My congratulations to District Director Emmy Thomas, who's put so much of effort during this pandemic times to do so many projects. As well, Manoj Pushkar, who's been at the helm and has also become the Assistant Governor. And my district governor, I would say now, because the fact that our DGE, who just felicitated Rajshekhar, about 2 days to go from now, and is also geared up to take on. More so because of the fact that this kind of, the energy that is given by our governor, Jose Chacko, is really rubbed off for all of us. We're really inspired to go ahead and do. The same kind of energy is passed on to this team that is there. It's a very nice team. I was just noticing and appreciating the kind of people that you have chosen, different vocations and different variations. The people are Amish, Anish, Baby, Benny, Danny, Deepu, Dinesh, Elvin, Febin, and Janek, Jensen, Jins, Jochen, Joseph, Ling, Manoj, Madhu, Nidin, Polly, Rijo, Staji, Santosh, Suryanarayanan, Vibhu, Saju. What a beautiful team, and entirely a fantastic team that's put together by Anto, and I'm sure they're going to rock. I'm wishing you all the very best for the year and henceforth. And again, wishing Governor Jose Chacko for what he has done splendidly. Greetings to you and greetings to all fellow Rotarians. And of course, I'm AG Rajagopal and others who have been instrumental in making this club. Congratulations.
Wonderful words of encouragement. Thank you, Dr. Rotarian Patti. Now moving on, we have a few recorded felicitations as well. Let's first listen to film director Ranjit Shankar. Video, please.
Namaskaram. റോട്ടറി ക്ലബ്ബ് ഓഫ് തൃശ്ശൂർ കൾച്ചറൽ സിറ്റിയുടെ പ്രസിഡൻ്റായി തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ട ഡോക്ടർ മനോജ് പോളിന് എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും. മനോജ് എൻ്റെ സ്കൂൾമേറ്റാണ്. വളരെ തിരക്കുള്ള ഒരു ഫിസിയോതെറാപ്പിസ്റ്റാണ്, നമുക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഒരു നല്ല സമൂഹ ജീവിയാണ്, ഒരു ടീം വർക്കറാണ്. അപ്പം മനോജിന് ലഭിച്ച ഈ സ്ഥാനത്തിൽ ഞാൻ സന്തോഷിക്കുന്നു. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് മനോജ് ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് റോട്ടറി ക്ലബ് ടു ഗ്രേറ്റർ ഹൈറ്റ്സ്. ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.
ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വന്തം ഫ്രാങ്ക്. റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിൻ്റെ പുതിയ ചാപ്റ്റർ ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. തൃശ്ശൂർ കൾച്ചറൽ സിറ്റി എന്ന പേരിൽ ആരംഭിക്കുന്ന ഈ പുതിയ ചാപ്റ്ററിൻ്റെ പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ മനോജ് പോൾ, എൻ്റെ പ്രിയ സുഹൃത്ത് മിസ്റ്റർ പോളി ജോൺ എന്നിവർക്കും ക്ലബിൻ്റെ മറ്റ് സാരഥികൾക്കും എല്ലാ മെമ്പേഴ്സിനും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ആശംസകൾ. ക്ലബിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾക്കും എൻ്റെ ആശംസകൾ.
ഹായ് മനോജ്, വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. മനോജ് എൻ്റെ കൂടെ 5ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് പഠിച്ചു വളർന്ന ഒരു സൗഹൃദ ബന്ധമുണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെ അപ്പുറത്ത് തൃശ്ശൂരിലെ തന്നെ പല സേവന പ്രവർത്തന രംഗത്ത് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വമാണ് മനോജ്. ഡോക്ടർ മനോജ് എന്തുകൊണ്ടും തൃശ്ശൂർ കൾച്ചറൽ സിറ്റിയെ ഉന്നതയിൽ നിന്ന് ഉന്നതങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കാനായിട്ടുള്ള അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ശ്രമം, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു കഴിവ് പരമാവധി ഉപയോഗിക്കുമെന്ന് എനിക്ക് ഉറപ്പുണ്ട്. എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഡോൺ ബോസ്കോയുടെ സെക്രട്ടറിയായി കഴിഞ്ഞ 30 വർഷത്തോളം പ്രവർത്തിച്ച് തോളോട് തോള് ചേർന്ന് പ്രവർത്തിച്ചൊരു വ്യക്തിത്വമാണ് ഡോക്ടർ മനോജ്. ഡോക്ടർ മനോജിന് ഈ വർഷത്തെ തൃശ്ശൂർ സിറ്റിയുടെ സാരഥി എന്ന നിലയ്ക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ അഭിവാദ്യങ്ങളും അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങളും മംഗളങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ ഒളിമ്പ്യൻ ഡിജു. റോട്ടറി ക്ലബ് ഓഫ് തൃശ്ശൂർ കൾച്ചറൽ സിറ്റിയുടെ പ്രസിഡൻ്റായി തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ട ശ്രീ മനോജിന് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ഞാൻ തൃശ്ശൂരുള്ള സമയത്ത് തൊട്ട് മനോജിനെ എനിക്കറിയാം. ഞങ്ങൾ നല്ല ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആയിരുന്നു. അതുപോലെ മനോജിൻ്റെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ട് റോട്ടറി ക്ലബിന് അതിൻ്റെ ഉയർച്ചയിലെത്താൻ കഴിയട്ടെ എന്നും ഞാൻ ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. വൺസ് അഗെയിൻ ഐ വിഷ് യു ഓൾ ദി വെരി ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫോർ മനോജ്. താങ്ക് യു.
We have lots of Rotarians from neighboring clubs attending this meeting online. It means a lot to the new club officers and members. Thank you guys for boosting the morale of the new club members.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving towards the end of this evening's function. Now it's time to listen to the words of wisdom from the governor. But before that, he'll be formally introduced by the GGR through a video presentation.
Jose Chaco, visionary who walks the talk. May 18, 1963, witnessed the birth of a little boy to the late MC Chaco and Mrs. Rosie Chaco, and they named him Jose. Jose, known for his confident demeanor, led the early stages of his life in Perumbavoor, Kerala. He went on to do his high school at the Nirmala High School in Muatupura, and later on pursued his college days at the St. Paul's College in Kalamasheri, Kerala. Our beloved Jose completed his BE Civil from the famous University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Bangalore. 1996, Jose took his first bold step by venturing into a manufacturing business, producing plywood, MS, Delta Plywood and Boards. 2004 marked the inception of his second venture, MS Delta Wood Panels. 2011, our visionary Jose didn't stop there. He commenced his third manufacturing venture, which involved the production of film-faced shuttering plywood. Jose was instrumental in the formation of Perumbavoor Plywood Construction Private Limited at Sidco Industrial Estate, Angamali, under the Cluster Development Program under the Ministry of MSME, Government of India. He was instrumental in the formation of Sokma Importers and Exporters Private Limited and served as Director of SOSCL Limited, a public limited company involved in the distribution of petroleum products for many years. 2015, this year marked beginning of another venture, being the Managing Director of Delvin Plywood at Bangalore, a company into the distribution of building materials and allied products. He was also a member of the trade delegation to the USA under the Ministry of Commerce and Trade. In the year 2008, Jose was also the recipient of the Export Award for 2 consecutive years, 2009 and 2010 respectively, from the CapExcel, Export Promotion Council under the Ministry of Commerce and Trade, Government of India. His journey as a proud Rotarian, Jose Chaco began his Rotarian journey during 1990 by joining as a member of the Rotary Club of Perumbavoor. During 1992, he later went on to be the Joint Secretary, followed by being a Secretary in 1993, the VP in 1994, the President-elect in 1995, and finally by serving as the President in 1996. Apart from these, he had also served as many other relevant positions during his remarkable journey as a Rotarian. As an exemplary Rotarian, Jose had contributed a lot at the club level by serving as a director for many avenues. At the district level, our visionary here, Jose had been actively involved in many major activities like member of Governor's Nominating Committee, served as district director, chaired for the regional fellowship meet, chaired for DTTS DOTS, served as faculty for training events, and much more. The district level saw an even more active Jose, with his notable activities such as serving as GGR in the year, took active role in organizing the multi-regional fellowship meet Organized Pets at Kandy, Sri Lanka, for the first time, organizing an event abroad in the history of our district 3201. Organized DTTS, served as the chairman of District Conference 2014, Tejas, at Karukutti, Angamali. Well, these are nothing when compared to his role as an assistant governor for the year 2005 to 2006. Our future leader here is an avid traveler, an active social person, an attendee of many major events, and has also won many awards. Jose has excelled in his family life by marrying Mrs. Rosemary Jose, daughter of Dr. Katie Jose and Rosalie Jose. The couple has been blessed with 2 children, Mrs. Rosemary Jose, married to Dr. Joseph Kurian, and Mr. Jacob Jose, respectively. Today, Mr. Jose Chaco, a strong visionary, stands before us as the district governor by promising to bring a fresh breath of air into the Rotary District 3201. We hereby present before you Major Donor Rotarian Jose Chaco, District Governor 2020 to 2021, R1 District 3201.
And now over to you, DG.
Thank you, GGR Rotarian Andrew, for your kind words of introduction. President of Rotary Club of newly installed President Rotarian Manoj Paul, President of Rotary Club of Trichur Rotarian Colonel Rajshekhar Nair, District Governor Nominee Designate Rotarian T.R. Vijaykumar, DG Rotarian Rajshekhar, DG and Rotarian Raj Mohan, past District Governors Rotarian Vinod Krishnankutti, PDG Rotarian Padi, District Director Rotarian M.E. Thomas, Assistant Governor Rotarian Raj Gopal, GGR Rotarian Manoj, GGR Rotarian Andrew, Secretary Rotarian Jofin, my friends, colleagues online and offline. Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, please accept my sincere apology. Today is a penultimate day of our Rotary Year 2021. We are just away, one day away from the Rotary Year 2021-22. So I started early morning, 6 o'clock from my home. This is my 7th function, official programs. I attended one global grant inauguration program in Alapi. From there, I drove back to Ernakulam. There I inaugurated two another global grants projects, one by Rotary Club of Downtown, one by Rotary Club of Technopolis. Immediately after that, I came down to Kaladi for another global grant project initiated by Rotary Club of Perumbavoor. From there to another global grant project in Angamali, and from there to Trichur for the charter presentation of Trichur Cultural City. Again, in between, I attended another charter presentation ceremony of Rotary Club of Cochin Titan, in between in Ernakulam. So this is my 2nd charter presentation, and this is my 7th official program. So my sincere apologies to each one of you for that, for arriving late. And at the outset, let me congratulate newly installed President Rotarian Manoj Paul, Rotarian Jofin Secretary, and all the members of Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City. And on behalf of District 3201 and on behalf of Rotary International, let me wholeheartedly welcome each one of you to the family of Rotary. My dear President, Secretary, and all the members, you have taken a right decision to join one of the finest organizations in the world, Rotary International. So congratulations. And by virtue of becoming a member in Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, you are welcomed to the worldwide friendship and fellowship of Rotary International. That is the added advantage of becoming Rotary International. And my dear friends, Trichur is close to my heart because I was born here, baptized here. I had the Holy Communion. I took the Holy Communion here. My mother belongs to Trichur. My wife belongs to Trichur. And you can consider me as a 50% Trichurian. Anyway, good to see you all here in Trichur. My dear friends, let me also congratulate our beloved District Director, Rotarian Emmy Thomas. He has done extremely well in the pandemic situation. He has motivated each and every clubs. And please put your hands, because he has achieved 100. He has made all the clubs in Trichur Palakkad city. All the clubs are 100% contributing clubs to the Rotary Foundation. So congratulations to you for that. And again, let me also congratulate our incoming leader, future leader, DGND Rotarian TR Vijaykumar. He has a rare distinction. Like, he is the first district governor from the revenue district of Trichur. So please put your hands for. Let me also compliment my good friends, past district governor Vinod Krishnakutty and Rotarian Padi for your kind words. Congratulations to you, Rotarian past district governor Padi and Vinod Kutty, for your valuable guidance and support in my journey as district governor. Thank you so much, and thank you for joining on this occasion. My dear friends, let me also congratulate Rotarian Rajgopal and Rotarian Manoj for doing extremely well in the current situation, pandemic situation. Congratulations to Rotarian Manoj. Manoj is a very passionate Rotarian, and he is very good in doing global grant projects. Please continue the same tempo in the coming year. And I understand that you are taking over as the assistant governor during the next year. Congratulations. Again, my sincere appreciations to your GSR, my good friend, Rotarian advocate Ando Akara. And he took a lot of pains in initiating this club, Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City. And so congratulations to Rotarian Ando for your great efforts. Appreciations to you. My dear friends, as rightly said by the earlier speakers, we are passing through the extremely difficult situation because of the COVID pandemic. And the uniqueness of this year, Rotary Year 2021, is that we started the current year in the midst of first pandemic wave, and we are ending the Rotary year 2021 in the second wave of pandemic. And in between many lockdowns, travel restrictions. But even in this pandemic situation, even in this challenging and difficult times, our district, our clubs, our members did extremely well. Let it be projects, let it be TRF contributions, let it be membership. In the current year, we were really fortunate to add 7 clubs in the current year, and the Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City is the 5th club. After this, we added one more club in Cochin Titans, and the new club, the 7th club in Coimbatore, Rotary Club of Coimbatore, Nugen, full of youngsters, all Rotaractors from Coimbatore. So with respect to membership, with respect to TRF Foundation contributions, with respect to project, we have done extremely well, especially in Trichur. We have initiated several COVID-related activities. We have initiated vaccination camps. In vaccination camp itself, we have done close to 13,000, am I right? 11,000 within a short span of 3-4 days. So congratulations to the great leadership done by our beloved DD Rotarian ME, AG Rajagopal, Manoj, Colonel Rajshekhar Nair, Ando, and all my good friends in Trichur. My dear friends, as I said, we are passing through the extremely difficult situation, and we are leaders in the society, and definitely we need to explore opportunities in every difficulty. Of course, as I said, we are passing through the difficult situation, and in each difficult situation, we must explore the possibility of opportunities, not difficulties in every opportunity, but opportunities in every difficulties. And my dear friends, Rotary has given, the pandemic has given many opportunities for us, especially for doing worthy projects. In Coimbatore, we have initiated a project by name Sanjeevani, in which within a short span of say 45 days or 30 days, they could initiate projects for 10 crores of rupees. Again, in Cochin, we have initiated several COVID-related activities. Of late, we have initiated one global grant project in Rotary Club of, Cochin Medical College, then District Hospital in Alway. Apart from that, we have initiated several global grant projects and major activities. So what I mean to say is that this pandemic has really given all of us an opportunity to serve the community. My dear friends, friends in Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, you are in the maiden year, and of course, your duty as a new club is to make your club more effective. The term effective is very important, because you can make the club effective by, we are having few points connected with the effective club. The first point is all about sustain and increase in membership. I understand that currently you have 25 members in the club, and you are planning to adding one more member today. So my first point is all about sustain and increase in membership. So we all know that our organization Rotary is all about members. We are a member-centric organization, and the strength of our organization is all about membership. So definitely it's our prime duty to add members every day, every year. So every year you make it a point to add at least 25%, 30% every year, so that you can make your club more stronger. So that is a primary aspect which you have to consider. And the second aspect is all about adding lady members. So adding lady members. And the third point is adding youngsters. Of course, your club, I can find from the profile that all relatively young people. So these are the 3 important points connected to making a club effective by adding membership, then lady members, then adding youngsters. These are the 3 important points. Again, the retention is equally important. So you need to identify the expectation of each member. Each member will be joining our organization based on certain expectation. So we need to understand their expectation. Some of them will be joining for the sake of making friendship, for making connections, for doing business, for improving business, or for doing service projects. So we need to understand their expectation, and based on that, we need to make some kind of changes in the club. That is the first point. Again, at the same time, we need to share our expectation also with the new members. We need to give an orientation program to the new members, so that I don't think it will be a big challenge for retaining members. So that is all about the sustain and increase in the membership. The second important aspect is all about implement successful projects. Friends, we all know that our basic duty is all about doing good in the world. That's what exactly we are doing nowadays, especially in the pandemic situation. We are doing n number of projects. So our basic duty is all about doing good projects. So identify the needs of the society and do the project according to the needs of the society. That is the most important point with respect to making your club more effective. Of course, there are many clubs doing many signature projects. You are telling about the signature project. In Coimbatore, I can tell a few clubs like Rotary Club of Coimbatore Midtown. They have a project by name Artificial Limb Project, which they have been doing for the last 25-30 years. And they have already completed almost 25 to 30,000 artificial limb program by this time. So that is called a signature project. Again, I'll tell you one more example. In Coimbatore Metropolis, on senior club, they have a wonderful project of Hope After Fire, in which they have already completed almost 900 reconstructive surgery for the badly fire affected victims. So that is all about a signature project. Signature project is something like this. By initiating a signature project, you will be having an identity in the community, or your club should be known by the name of that particular project. That is all about signature project. Of late, Rotary Club of Coimbatore Tech City, that is another success story in front of us. They initiated an oxygen generator project in ESA hospital just for 31 months back. And of course, we were, the Tech City people, Rotarians were afraid of mobilizing the funds. But they went for a different funding pattern. They went for a crowdfunding. To my surprise, it's overfunded now. It's overfunded. It's a $113,000 project. My point is that if you have a good project, funds will flow like anything. It's not an issue. Even in Cochin, last 2 weeks back, we initiated ICU project in Government Medical College, Kalamassery, Cochin, and another project of NICU project in District Hospital Alvey. So within a short span of 10 days, we could mobilize more than $40,000 now. Probably it might not touch 50,000 also. The figures are yet to come. So what I wanted to tell you that if you have a genuine project, definitely funds will flow like anything. And moreover, now the new funding pattern, like crowdfunding. So we are having relatives, friends, our classmates across the globe. So definitely you can promote, encourage them to contribute to the particular project. Need not collect the funds entirely from the Rotary fraternity itself. We can as well collect the funds from outside, abroad, our classmates, friends, relatives. One of my friends in US, I simply WhatsApp about the Cochin project. Immediately he responded. He said, I am contributing $250. See, whether it is $250 or $500, they are supporting us. So that is the idea of crowdfunding. Definitely being the first be the first year. You have many plans like medical camps, educational programs, COVID-related activities, whatever it is. You can definitely go for crowdfunding pattern, and you can mobilize funds. Again, CSR funding. It's another opportunity. In Coimbatore, again, a success story. When they initiated the project Sanjeevani, within a short span of say 4 weeks, they could easily mobilize funds worth 10 CR. Out of 10 CR, the major chunk came from the CSR companies. So what I wanted to tell you that funds, don't worry about the funds. If you have a genuine project, funds will flow like anything. The third important aspect is all about support Rotary Foundation. Rotary Foundation is a charity arm of our organization. And without foundation, I would say Rotary is irrelevant, or it will become a social club. Our ultimate aim is all about doing good in the world. We are not a social club. Of course, friendship, fellowship, all activities are there. But at the same time, our ultimate aim is all about doing good in the world. So Rotary Foundation is supporting us in a big way. Like suppose if you are contributing $100,000 to the Rotary Foundation, definitely we are getting back tenfold. Our $1 million governor is here. I can see past district governor Padi. It was his during his time we entered into the $1 million club. So congratulations to past district governor Padi for that. And of course, my predecessor, immediate predecessor Madhav also became a $1 million governor. And grace of God, today I am also in the $1 million club. So you have shown the way. Congratulations, past district governor Padi, for that. So the third point is, all about support Rotary Foundation. So it's our prime duty to support the foundation. The work which we have done to eradicate the most dreaded disease, polio virus, from the face of earth, that itself is the classical example of our commitment to the mankind. So that I request each newly inducted Rotarians of Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City to make generous contributions to the annual fund, to the polio fund, and to the projects fund, because polio is the flagship event which we have undertaken almost 25-30 years back, and we are still continuing the program, and we need to reach 100% success. Until and unless we reach 100% success, we cannot stop the program. When I went for an official visit in Coimbatore, one president asked me, Governor, why are you asking again and again funds for polio eradication program? This is the polio eradication program is a global program. And as I said, we have to reach the 100% success. Only then we can close the project. And let me put my, please congratulate Rotarian Emmy Thomas for making the Trichur Palakkad zone 100% contribution clubs to the Rotary Polio Fund. Again, the fourth important point is all about develop leaders beyond the club level. Develop leaders beyond the club level. That is a fourth way of making your club effective. See, as I said in the beginning, our organization is a member-centric organization, and we need leaders to lead our organization. So, as I said, T.R. Vijaykumar is our new leader from Trichur Revenue District. So, similarly, we need leaders to lead our organization. For that, you need to identify leaders in your club, passionate leaders, active leaders, who are passionate in doing projects. You need to identify them, and it is your duty to motivate them, encourage them to take leadership position, and that is all about effective club. So I have discussed 2, 3, 4 important points: membership, service projects, then TRF contributions, and develop leaders beyond the club level. I just wanted to add few more points with respect to the club administration committee. The club administration committee is an important committee in our organization, Rotary, because it is a basic duty of club administration committee is all about making your club as a single family, because our organization is a family oriented club. So involve all the members either in programs or in projects. Otherwise, especially in pandemic situation, they will feel insignificant in the club, and they will move to the sleepy mode, which we really don't want to happen. So involve all the members. Let it be a Zoom meeting, virtual meeting, whatever it is. Organize speaker sections. Every meeting, there should be some kind of takeaway from the meeting. Otherwise, people are members are reluctant in attending meeting. So in order to avoid that, try to have speaker sections every weekly meeting, or every fortnightly you have go for speaker session. Ask each speaker to speak for at least 8 to 10 minutes. So you can start with the Rotary history. We have a rich history of 116 years. So start with the history of our organization. We have several programs, projects. Every meeting, try to make it very interesting by telling more about our programs, projects. Involve all the members. Or even you can invite speakers from outside. We have a speaker bank at the district level. Invite speakers from outside the district. And the point is, make it very interesting. Again, whenever you go for a project, involve our family members, our aunts, and Rotarians, so that they will feel as if they are a part of our organization, Rotary. So that is all about the club administration committee. Again, the public image. Public image is very, very, very important as far as Rotary is concerned. When you initiated a vaccination camp in Trichur, you have, as I said, you have vaccinated close to 11,000 people in Trichur. Again, I understand that you are initiating one more vaccination camp tomorrow. Am I right, President? Yeah. Okay. How many days you are having? Only for 1 day. Okay. So that particular project, vaccination camp, really gained a good public image for all of us. So by having a good public image, definitely we will be in a position to get a good CSR partnership. We will be in a position to attract members. In Trichur, I believe there are 6 clubs. This is the 6th club in Trichur. Am I right? 6th club. So naturally, whenever a new member wish to join Rotary, he or she will be looking at a performing club who is having good public image. So that is all about public image, and public image is all about what general public understands about Rotary, and publicity is all about what we tell us about Rotary, and that is all about the public image and publicity. And Rotary is very seriously looking at the public image part. My dear friends, it's very late. I don't want to take much of your valuable time. So once again, I wish all success, Godspeed, and just wanted to conclude with a quote from Martin Luther King, which is very relevant, especially in this pandemic situation. So whenever I go for a, official visit, some members used to, while going through the reports, they used to start with, because of pandemic. I used to say, no pandemic. We have to live along with the pandemic. See, we have to live well because pandemics will be there with us for the next 2 to 3 years. So we have to live along with that, maintaining, all protocols and all. So that is all about the pandemic situation, my dear friends. And this particular quote given by Martin Luther King is very, very relevant. The quote is like this, which words are like this: if you can't fly, then run. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. And if you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, we have to move forward. Wonderful words from Martin Luther King. I wish all success to President Rotarian Manoj, Secretary Rotarian Jofin, incoming AG Rotarian Manoj, and GGR and GSR. GSR terminology is gone. Now it is new club advisor. New club advisor. The GSR terminology is gone. So congratulate new club advisor and Vijayomar and all the members of Trichur Cultural City. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.
Very inspiring words indeed, gentlemen, please stand up and give him a standing ovation with a huge, huge round of applause. Thank you, everyone. Now, as a mark of appreciation and gratitude, the President Rotarian Manoj Paul will hand over pleasantries to the following Rotary leaders.
Rotarian Jose Chaco. Rotarian Vijay Kumar. Rotarian Thomas. Rotarian Rajagopal. Rotarian Ando Akra. Rotarian Rajshekharan Nair.
And the MCs of the evening, Ashi Joffin.
And Rotarian Arvind Nair.
Over to Joffin for the vote of thanks.
Good evening, Rotarians and ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Joffin John Ulukaran, Secretary, Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City. As we come to an end of this beautiful event, inauguration and installation of office bearers of Rotary Club of Trichur Cultural City, it's given me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks. Let me start with today's chief guest, Rotarian Major Donor Jose Chaco M., the District Governor 3201. We deliver our special thanks to him for his valuable time to spend with us. During the last day of our Rotary year, we all know that is growth through ethic schedule for attending meeting. Once again, we Rotary Club of Trichur City wholeheartedly welcome. I'm sorry. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank Rotarian M.E. Thomas, our district director, the gem of a person. He is always with us in our club formation. With his valuable knowledge, that really help us. Once again, I thank you, Rotarian M.E. Thomas, sir. Let me now thank Rotarian Rajagopal, our Assistant Governor, who had consistently given advice and support for us with the formation. Thank you, sir. I am very happy to extend for sincere thanks to Rotarian Addo Davis Akara, our GGR and GSR. With your, we couldn't achieve the milestone. You were always there in all our activities, your office, our Padashala. We learned from your how should be a Rotarian in Rotary Club. We expecting of help in future. Now, I would like to thank Rotarian Colonel Rajashekar Nair for his beautiful support. Without you and your club, we don't have any existence. We thank you, sir. Let me thank our DGND, Rotarian Vijay Kumar. We would like to a special thanks to Rotarian Manoj Pushkar, Assistant Governor-elect. You are always there whenever we needed to support. Thank you, sir. Let me thank Master of Ceremony of today's program, Rotarian Arvind Nair and Mrs. Ashi Jofin, for their beautiful support. As we will know today, we are conducting this program online also. Lot of dignitaries are attending this event online. We Rotary Club of Trichy Cultural City thank to all dignitaries of Rotary District 3201. All the neighbor club members, other invitees, and my fellow Rotarians, special thanks to all. Last but not the least, we would want to special thanks to Rotarian Paul Varghese for giving the wonderful venue for hosting this event. And also we would like to give thanks to Mr. Lionel for his arrangement to do this program. Once again, Rotary Club of Trichy Cultural City, thank you, the bottom of our heart. Thank you.
Please rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Ladies and gentlemen, we trust you enjoyed the evening as much as we enjoyed presenting it. Over to the President to adjourn this very first meeting of the club.
Meeting is adjourned for food fellowship.